Hi guys, how to download Roblox Studio on PC or laptop. Now open your web browser. Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge works best. Go to roblox.com and log into your account. Don't skip this login step or Roblox Studio won't work later. Look at the top menu bar on the homepage and click the Create tab. This opens all the creator tools. Most new players miss this tab entirely, so pay close attention. On the creation page, click the Download or Start Creating button to save the Roblox Studio installer to your computer. Here's a pro tip. Watch where the file downloads. Usually goes to your Downloads folder. Open your computer's Downloads folder, find the file named Roblox Studio Launcher, and double-click it. The installation happens automatically from here. Just let it run. Once the installation finishes, the app will open on its own. Log in with your Roblox account details again, then start a new project or pick a template.